What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're out at the Snake River. Look at this beautiful place. Look at that, guys. It is about 90 degrees out here. I'm here with two of my buddies from work. John, say what's up to the people, man.
What's up, man?
What we doing today?
Fishing.
Yeah.
Catfish.
Catfish, guys.
What up, what up?
And this is Alex. Say what's up.
Hello, hello.
Yeah, we're about to slay some catfish today, guys. Stay tuned, all right? Let's go. All right, so for the catfish rig, I'm using an 11-foot surf. It's an 11-foot surf rod, Okuma Rockaway, rated at 8 to 17 pounds, with the Penn Fierce 3 size 4000. And it is spooled up with 15-pound mono. Okay, the setup is a fish finder rig. What's that? Oh, actually the sinker slider setup with a size 2 hook. That's all I'm using today. Okay, guys, for the bait, for catfish bait, we're using shrimp, raw shrimp, marinated in what?
Crawfish juice.
Crawfish juice. Yeah. It's been marinating in that for a while. And
this one's called the Catfish series right here.
that's the catfish series. Okay, it's got a lot of scent, really stanky. All right, let's go. Let's bait it up. Way out there. We're on, dude.
All right, guys.
Fish on, guys. Fish on.
Hell yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I can feel it fighting. Go down here for a second. Woo, yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, baby. I feel pretty good. Probably like a 3-4 pounder. Oh, what is it? What is it? Oh, it's a nice cat.
That's on the lunker.
Oh,
sucker,
no.
Sucker.
It's a sucker.
Bait fish. Bait fish.
Bait fish, though. Get a clue. Holy crap, that's a fatty. That's nice, guys. Let me hold him up for you. That's bait fish right here, guys. Ah, here, let me get him real quick. Oh, right there. On. The fish still on? It's gonna be hard to get, bro.
That's why I brought an extra.
Alright, we got a fish on, but a malfunction reel here. Can we still land him? It's gonna be.
It's okay.
Is it tugging? Oh, look at that train coming too. That shit was pumping, huh?
Yeah.
Let me get down with him. This is good shit. Catfish. Oh shit. Feels good?
No.
Hell yeah. A train bite, man. On call too. They said, let's get a train bite. Now we're doing the old school style, huh?
I threw it before, you see.
hand lining.
Grab my knife. It's on my seat.
Yeah. What you doing on this side?
It's everywhere. Look, we got one over there.
What you got? What you got? Oh yes.
He's alright with his catfish stuff.
Oh dude, that's a good eater. Good size fish. Oh man. Dude, that's a good one. Look at that, guys. Channel cat. Channel cat, guys. Off the broken reel.
Broken reel.
Damn. That's nice, bro. Good job.
What the real do that?
Yeah, bro, what we got cooking? What we got cooking, bro?
Chinese barbecue chicken.
Damn, check this out.
Chinese barbecue chicken. Boom.
Man, that looks good.
Got corn. This is a dinner right here.
Yes, sir. Got some corn,
rice,
on the cob.
got rice, and we got a watermelon.
Yes, sir.
Here we go.
Now we're just waiting for a bite. Should be about, I don't know. What do you think, about an hour from now?
About 30 minutes.
30 minutes?
What time is it right now?
Let's see. 7:34. All right. Fish on, fish on. Fish on.
Put it on hook.
Yes, sir. Just hold it steady. Down there. Fish is down there. Man. Oh, it's a good one.
Yeah, I see it.
Oh,
That guy got a good ass.
woo! What we got, baby? Get a close up
Yeah,
on that
that's
sucker. It's a cat?
Hopefully.
Oh, it's it's a sucker. I'm catching suckers today.
Throw
Oh shit, that's a big one.
Alex.
Yes, sir.
Another sucker, guys. Look at that. 2 suckers, guys. Come on now, I need a catfish. At least we got bait though. All right, let's get a catfish. Yeah, what do you got, John?
Little catfish, baby.
That's a bowhead.
Yeah.
Bowhead catfish.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir. Number 2 for John. Let's go. Let's get a bigger one too. All right, guys. The bite slowed down a little bit. Okay, but the night's not over yet, right?
Sir.
What do you got for bait? What are you using?
Lunker, crawfish.
You're talking about the scent, right?
Yeah.
Oh, but you're using shrimp? All right.
Yeah.
So we got shrimp on his, and what you got on yours?
Cut bait.
Cut bait? Yeah. Fresh sucker?
Sucker. Yep.
Sucker fish?
Yep.
Yeah. Yes, sir. We're just sitting, chilling, enjoying the night, right? Yeah. It's gonna happen, guys. It's gonna happen.
Just starting to bite. I got a big ass one.
Shut it down there. What you got?
Hey, grab a net. What do you guys? I think we'll be okay. Oh, it's a big one.
Go down.
Go. I'll hold.
Good one? Let me see.
Okay, but very hot.
Catfish? Oh yeah. That's a good one.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay, man. Good job.
Still good.
Oh yeah.
Setting
Yes.
my tone.
All right, guys. Just hooked up on a bowhead catfish, and it almost spined me. Yeah. Oh, he sat and he swallowed that one, huh? Yeah. It's a bullhead cat. We'll keep him. Right?
Yes, sir.
Bullhead cat.
That's okay. Huh?
Hell yeah. Catfish. That's what we came for, right?
Yep.
Yes, sir.
3.
Hell yeah.
See this one right here?
Took that shit too.
Is that on the shrimp or
It's shrimp.
shrimp? Raw,
Lunker.
lunker.
Yep.
Cool, cool.
That's what they like.
Hey, Vincent, you think you could help me?
Unhook it.
Yeah. I'm gonna try the other one though.
All right.
Yeah, like, it's like
Here. Got a big one, guys.
big one.
Alex.
Oh, it's a big one. Oh, look at this, guys.
I told you.
Damn, check it out, guys. My buddy John just caught a huge cat.
Yes, sir.
Channel cat, man. That's like at least 8 to 10 pounds, maybe.
Yeah, 8 to 10 pounds.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Look at that thing.
More to come.
Damn. Hell yeah.
Right.
Hell yeah. Good job, man.
Thanks.
Let's get some more.
All right. Yep.
All right, guys. This is day 2 of catfishing. Man, yesterday a little rough last night, huh, boys?
No good.
Pretty slow.
Yeah, pretty slow, man. So I mean, we caught some catfish, but like it wasn't as much as
Not the one we wanted.
we want it to be. John over here caught a monster.
Yes, sir.
It's at least like 10 pounds, 8 to 10 pounds, man. But yeah, it was just slow last night. So we are packing up now and we're gonna head down, see if we can get some crappies. After that, we're gonna try again for catfish and see what happens. All right, guys, stay tuned. What do you got?
Rice, eggs, bacon.
Yeah, breakfast of champions.
Seasoning right there.
Compliments to Chef John.
Thank you. Thank you.
Look at this, guys. Man, let's eat some breakfast. Bullhead catfish, guys. About a 1.5 pounder. Look at that thing.
Belly.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, look at that, guys. Crappie, yeah. That's what we after. All I had to do was sit down. Let's scoot this one up. Yeah, guys, we're on the board. We're on the board. 9.5 inches, 10. Yeah. Keeper. Fish on, guys. Yeah, that's a good one. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, shit. No, sir. That's a good one, guys. Yep. That's about 9.5, 10. Let's go, let's go. Black crappie. It's a bass, man. I love how they fight. We got a bass, guys. Smallmouth bass. Yeah, let's let him go. Ooh. He went after the tube jig. Let's go. Yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah. That's about a 9-incher. Crappie. Gotta be. Yep. Sunfish. Yep. It's a sunfish. Oh, I got 3 species now. Got a perch now. Crappie, baby, crappie. Yes. Yeah, that's a fatty. That's a fatty, guys. Yeah. About a 9-incher right there. There you go. Yeah. String is getting. Got one, got one. Woo, crappie, that's a good one. Yeah, baby. Off the tube jig. Yeah, that's a keeper right there. They're coming back, they're coming back. Yeah, baby. Let's put them on a stringer. Alright guys, we did pretty good on crappie. We're gonna head back down to the first spot I was at. And we're gonna fish for a little bit there and then head back for some more catfishing. Stay tuned. Oh. Hit. Fish on. Oh yes! Look at that! I called it. That's a crappie. Hell yeah.
That ain't no bass.
No, the other one was a bass. The other one was a bass. This one definitely a crappie. Look at that. Yes. Get him in there. Yeah, now we. It is a nice one, huh? Oh wow, dude, that's a fat one.
Same time as it.
What do you got there, buddy? Oh man, that's a nice channel cat.
Sir.
Dude.
John.
Look, it's talking to us.
Another one.
Damn, that's what, 5-6 pounder?
Finally,
Hell
good
yeah.
hook set.
Finally got a good hook set on him?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Lost so many.
Man, we need some more of this. Let's go, man.
Yes,
Let's
sir.
get him.
Big ass one, fool. Big ass one. Take it easy, take it easy, take it easy. Well, take it easy.
Yeah,
right?
that's a good one.
Yeah, I told you guys when it's gonna bite, it's gonna bite. See that? When I said it, it's a big ass one. Yeah, be careful. Let me get the net.
How's it feel?
Hold on.
Yeah. Oh shit, I got double light on you guys.
Big.
Where is it? Where is it? Easy, easy. Easy, easy.
Bring it in.
Where is that?
Hey, take your time, Alex. Yeah. Kind of fighting with me.
Get him, Alex, get him.
Hey, pay attention to the unlocks too.
Yeah.
They're biting right now.
Yep.
Bring it in.
Yeah, that's why I was sitting there. I heard something over here.
Yeah, you gotta pay attention. Hey, walk it to the right a little bit. Yeah, like that.
Oh. Yeah. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, Yeah, it's a good one.
Wiggin.
Real.
Walk it to the right a little bit.
This way. Keep coming my way. Got him?
Stuck in the thing. Don't pull, let go. Okay.
Hell yeah.
Hold on.
Hell yeah. What do you got? Damn, hell yeah. That's a good one. Hell yeah. They're starting to bite good now, huh?
There's 2 back to back.
Nice.
Good.
All right. Let's get some more. Him. Hell yeah.
Oh, this one's a fighter.
Is it?
Oh yes, this one's fighting.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Here,
sir.
Yes, sir. Walk back.
Walk back.
We can hold it. No shine too far.
All
Oh,
right.
no, this one's fighting. This is not the one that was ringing though.
Was it?
It's yours. Yeah.
Oh, that's a good one too.
This is
Easy.
This is the garlic butter. Because I didn't want the garlic butter on that one.
Bring him in.
Big boy. Oh, I can't. I don't want to. Yeah.
Running.
Yeah. Make sure you get them in, alright? Whatever you do.
Yeah, that's a good one. How's it feel, Alex? How's it feel?
Feels good. It's fighting.
Hell yeah. Oh yeah.
That's the one I casted, huh?
Nice. It's a good size right there.
Hey, good call, Alex. Huh? Good call. Another one. We gotta get a couple more.
Look at that shit.
Let's go.
Hell yeah.
Clean. Nice little chunk.
Clean one right there. Good eater.
Yep.
Good job, Alex.
Let's go. Got it right in his mouth too. Literally, you set the hook perfect. See it?
Corner of the lip.
This wasn't the one though. Yeah.
Wasn't? It's a nice catfish. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's fishing trip. Basically everyone caught some fish. Channel cats, bullhead cats. And we did pretty good. Yeah. Hell yeah. Getting ready to pack up. Head back home to our families. Catch you over there. This is our haul from the fishing trip, guys. Look at that. Some bullhead catfish. Really nice looking cattle cat. Man, look at that big boy. Huge.